Today will be a video when my brother is oh, my brother is cracking my back while I'm trying to hit 40 wins on Ninja Challenge or something like that. My brother is so oh my god. My brother is standing. Okay, he went off. My back. Oh. I'm dying. Oh, no, my hair. Don't my hair. Oh, don't my hair. He's playing that. My brother is playing that. Okay, never mind. He's stood up. Not on my butt. Ooh. I'm sorry for the wheezing if y'all don't like it. I got distracted. I like really close. It's just one win. Please, please, please. What is happening back there? What language is this, guys? Can y'all guess in the comment what language is this? Okay. Oh, till the day I will die. I am being so distracted right now. I hate this. Ow! This is such a bad idea. Oh. I can't. I'm wheezing, you guys. I'm wheezing. You guys, this is a comedy bro. I'm so distracted right now. No! He's standing on the back. He's such a back. I guess my back is the back and my brother is the knife. Oh! Oh my god. I'm gonna cry myself. So bad I can't even speak my normal voice. Okay, never mind. Okay. Don't mind. Okay, I hope I really don't fail this because I'm such a failure. Please, 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 please. Yes, 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 yes. I did it, guys. Bye, bye. It's the end. So, guys, if y'all enjoyed this, please subscribe. Yeah. Thank you for watching this.